In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your animation start options right here in Google Slides. So when you're in the process of adding animations to your elements, here's how you can edit your start options. So here in my example, I have a digital menu. So this is just one of the layouts that I got from a template from SlideShow or Slides Carnival. Now, if you want to get other templates other than the ones that we have right here, I have a separate video on how you can download those templates, and I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So going back to this layout right here, I've already added animations to each of these elements. Now, if I go to my slideshow and start my presentation, this is what it's going to look like. So for each click that I do on this slide, those are the only times that these elements will come out on the slide. So what if I want to have a different start condition for each of these? What I'm going to do would be to go to transition, and once that opens, we will also see our object animations. Now, if you want to edit the start condition of these elements, what you're going to do is to click on that animation. There you go. So for all of these elements, I've chosen the fade in animation type. Next to that would be our start condition. So this is where we can change how these elements are animated into our slides. So if you click on this part, you will see three options. We have on click, after previous, and with previous. As you will see, all of these elements are on the on click start condition. And if we want to change that, let's say I just want to click on the slide once. And once I do, all of those animations will follow. So what you're going to do is to have the first one on click and the succeeding ones after previous. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on the second one right here. So go to the start condition just below your animation type and select after previous. There we have it. So if I want to see a preview of this, I can always just click on play right here. So again, what I want to happen is that I will only click on the slide once and the rest will follow. There you have it. So after clicking once, I have two elements fade in into the slide. So if we do that with the rest of our elements right here, again, to change your start condition for your animations, just click on that animation, go to the start condition and select after previous. And we will do that to the rest of our animations. Also, once I change that start condition, it will appear right next to that animation type. So if you want a preview of what we've done, just click on play right here. Again, just click once on your slide and the rest will follow. And there you have it. So that is what your animation will look like with the start condition of after previous. But of course, we still have the third option of with previous. So when do we usually use this? So let me show you an example where we can use the start condition with previous. Here on this next slide, we have some layered elements where this is in between two word art right here. Now what I want to do is to have it fly in from the right, and the start condition for this one would be on click. But the next animation that I want to apply on that same element would be spin. So if I click on that element and select add animations right here, you'll see that we're still applying the animation to the same element. So here for the animation type, I'm going to go for spin. And for the start condition, this is where we will choose with previous. So since this will happen together with the previous animation, I want to make sure that they have the same duration. So for this one, it's at 2.5 seconds. So I will also change this to 2.5 seconds. Now, if we go to play and see what that would look like, I will click for that first animation to happen with the previous. And there you have it. So both animations are happening at the same time with those start conditions. So that's how you can change your animation start options right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.